Morning everyone, I hope you're doing well. I am Davina Bamba and today I'll be presenting my book jacket for Joseph Avatar. I will do it in 8 points. The first one is why I chose the story. Second, target audience. Third, front cover. Fourth, inside pages. Fifth, quotation. Sixth, spine. Seventh, back cover. And the last one is my conclusion. I chose the story because the way that it explored duty and honor inspired me. It's a story for lovers of thought-provoking literature because it refers to make difficult decisions requiring reflection, such as choosing between revenge and integrity. Being the fine line between justice and vengeance, it also studied at school and university. The front cover of my book jacket is built around two powerful images. One is a razor divided in two parts and side by the bullet bed. Firstly, the razor symbolizes the Bible internet conflict. The white part, featuring the Lather, signifies that the Bible chose professionalism, illustrating that it remained devoted solely to his craft, even when attending to tourists. In contrast, the black part, featured by the blood, represents the barbarous retribution upon tourists, portraying that it shows to make tourists pay for his crime. Secondly, the bullet bits signify that of Captain Tourist, and the manner that it tied his hands serve as a manifestation of military dominance over the populace. On the inside pages, one contains the biography of the author Armando Tellers, written in Absor size 12 with 1.5 on last page, and the author provides a summary of the book written in Apple 3 size 18 with the same line space and two quotations from the story written in Century Gothic size 1. Let's talk about the summary. So, in a tense, grappling short story set in a small village torn by political violence, a barber faces a profound moral dilemma when a ruthless military officer, Captain Torres, enters in his shop. The barber, a secret rebel, has the chance to kill his enemy with a single stroke of his sharpest razor while Torres closes his eyes and casually reveals his plans during the shave. But what will the barber choose? Murderer or professionalism? I choose for quotation. When I recognize him, I start to tremble. And murder or hero? The first one is for adding suspense in showing how Torres is dangerous and how the Bible is frightened by him. The second one is for showing internal conflict but needs a deep reflection and challenge the reader thinking. The spine consists of a title, just left of at all, and my publisher logo, a cat logo embodying mystery and elegance, reflecting modern cultural perception of feelings as symbol of sophistication, intuition, and quiet power. Finally, on the back cover, there are an inkwell and a parchment symbolizing the book's antiquity as it was written before the year 2000. The quill in the inkwell is red, blue, and yellow, mirroring the color of the Colombian flag, the homeland of the author, Armando Teles. There are also a barcode and my publisher logo. In conclusion, I am quite pleased with my book jacket. I have endeavored to encapsulate all of my ideas to the best of my ability. Although perfection remains elusive, I believe I have truly given my utmost effort. Thank you for your attention.